Okay, hi, I'm Kamisa, and the Cranial Self-Care Workshop is very comprehensive and easy to follow, especially under Adidas supervision. It is a technique that can be used for ourselves as well as others at a level different from the usual health technique, because to my understanding, it goes all the way to the cellular level in order to get to tune ourselves to be healthy.